You've touched on multiple different businesses,
Yeah.
doing philanthropic work at the same time, tackling marathons and fitness and the mindset around all of it. There's a ton that allows you to do that, right? In terms of habits and mindset, like you said, it's all natural and it's easy now. It's a evolutionary progress, it sounds like, right? What would you say is, in terms of foundation and groundwork and some of those foundational building blocks that allowed you to kind of do the things you do today? What is the biggest single transformational thing for you, or one of the biggest, maybe?
For anyone who knows me and our family, the biggest transformation, obviously, or the biggest thing in my life that has changed me was the birth of my third son, Dylan. He was born, so he's 18. He was born with like really significant congenital brain injury. He's legally blind. In those early days, after he was born. So at first we didn't know anything, but my parental kind of spidey senses started tingling. And when I found out how hurt he was, the doctor said, you can expect nothing really except for profound cognitive impairment from him. He might not ever walk or talk, just given like the magnitude of his brain injury. And I just, I was not equipped as a person to handle that. I basically went to bed for 6 months, because it was a foodborne infection. I felt responsible for it. Just the prognosis was so grim, Chris, that I just didn't think that we could expect much from him. Not from him. I just like in terms of his progress. I was so depressed. But one day I just decided when I went to, we had to go to sick kids like literally every day for weeks and weeks and weeks. He had to get blood tests done like every other week, every other day because of this medication he was taking. And I thought, oh my God, I cannot do this sad visits to sick kids anymore. And I thought, I'm going to go there. I'm going to go to the library. I'm going to get a book rather than sit in this eye clinic for 4 hours at a time. Like it just was painstaking.